Ever pondered about the health quotient of your everyday diet? It's something that's easy to overlook, isn't it? But the truth is, what we consume on a daily basis has a significant impact on our overall well-being. It's not just about counting calories or skipping out on your favorite treats. It's about choosing nourishing, wholesome foods that fuel your body and mind. Now, you might be thinking, but I love my comfort foods. Don't we all? The good news is, you don't have to give them up entirely. That's where the concept of food swaps comes into play. It's all about making small, manageable changes that add up to a big difference. Think swapping white rice for brown, or trading your go-to bag of chips for a handful of nuts. These simple tweaks can make your diet healthier without feeling like a sacrifice. So, are you ready to transform your eating habits? Stay tuned to learn about 5 simple food swaps that can make your diet healthier. Swap number 1, switch from white rice to brown rice. Now, why would we suggest something like that? Well, let's delve into this a bit. Brown rice is a whole grain, which means it has all parts of the grain, the bran, germ, and endosperm. White rice, on the other hand, has had these nutritious parts removed. What does this mean for you? Brown rice offers a higher fiber content, which can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. It's also packed with more nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This swap isn't just about cutting calories. It's about adding nutrition to your meals. Brown rice also has a lower glycemic index than white rice. This means it won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, making it a better choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain steady energy levels. So next time, let brown rice be your choice for a healthier diet. Swap number 2, opt for Greek yogurt instead of regular yogurt. Greek yogurt is a deliciously creamy alternative that packs a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. It contains less sugar than its regular counterpart, which can help keep your calorie intake in check. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also rich in protein, making it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their protein intake. So, why not give it a try? Make your diet healthier. Go Greek with your yogurt. For swap 3, replace soda with sparkling water. And for swap 4, choose nuts over chips. Let's delve into why these swaps can make your diet healthier. Soda, while undoubtedly refreshing, is a sugary trap. It's loaded with empty calories and an excessive amount of processed sugar. This can lead to weight gain and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Now imagine satisfying that fizzy craving with sparkling water instead. It gives you the same bubbly sensation, but without the harmful sugar. Plus, staying well hydrated has its own set of advantages. It aids digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and even helps maintain your energy levels. Moving on to swap 4, let's talk about why nuts can be a better snack option compared to chips. Chips, though a popular snack, are often high in sodium and unhealthy fats. Overconsumption of these can lead to high blood pressure and heart disease. Nuts, on the other hand, are a treasure trove of nutrients. They're packed with heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also incredibly versatile. Whether you're craving something sweet or savory, there's a nut variety to satisfy your palate. Making these simple food swaps can have a significant impact on your health. They're easy to implement and can make your diet healthier in the long run. Remember, sparkling water over soda and nuts over chips for a healthier diet. And finally, swap number 5, make the switch from white bread to whole grain bread. This simple change can make a world of difference in your daily diet. Whole grain bread is packed with fiber, which not only keeps you feeling full longer, but also aids in digestion. Unlike white bread, whole grain bread is less processed, meaning it retains more of its natural nutrients, such as B vitamins and iron. Now let's not forget about the taste. Whole grain bread has a hearty, nutty flavor that adds a new dimension to your sandwiches and toasts, so why not give it a try? You'll be making your diet healthier with every bite. And while we're on the topic of making your diet healthier, why not join us on this journey to a healthier lifestyle? We're always dishing out tips, tricks, and swaps to help you enjoy the foods you love in a healthier way. So, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button. Switch to whole grain bread and make your diet healthier. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on maintaining a healthier diet.